Hello, everybody. Sorry I couldn't be there today. My daughter is not feeling well. She tested positive for COVID, so my wife and I have been alternating all week to stay home with her. So that's why, unfortunately, I cannot make it there here today. I'm sad about it. I obviously like to be in there in person to, say goodbye for the summer. So I thought this is the next best thing, just by making the video to you guys, saying that I appreciate you guys' effort. I appreciate your hard work this year. I know we had a lot of laughs over the course of the year, a lot of good times. Hopefully, you guys will sign up for Street Law, either next year as a junior or senior year. And hopefully you do that. I think you'll like the class. I'm the only teacher, so if you like having me, then the class will be for you. It's a fun class. But yeah, I just wanted to post a video, say bye. Have a wonderful summer. You guys deserve it. Be safe, make smart decisions, and most importantly, don't you ever change.